Best Rocket Money settings to save more script. Are you tired of signing up for a free trial only to be hit with an unexpected charge a month later? That's where Rocket Money comes in. I've been using it for a while now, and it's become my essential sidekick for tackling subscription creep and unnecessary spending. It's not just another budgeting app, it's a tool designed to find and stop the money leaks you didn't even know you had. But to truly maximize your savings, you need to configure it correctly. Based on my experience, focusing on 3 core settings and features delivers the biggest financial impact. 1. Magnifying glass tilted left aggressive subscription monitoring. This is the most powerful feature, but you need to make sure it's set to maximum sensitivity. Go to the Subscriptions tab. Don't just look at the active ones. Review the We Found section. This lists every recurring charge it detects, including old ones and those that might not be named clearly. The best setting, for any subscription you think you've canceled, mark it as Canceled Monitor. Why? Because some companies use different merchant names for renewal charges. By setting this, Rocket Money will flag that charge specifically and push a notification if it reappears. This has saved me from accidental resubscriptions twice. Action: immediately review and hit cancel or negotiate on anything you don't use at least once a month. The negotiation feature, while a small fee is taken, is incredibly convenient and worth it if you're time poor. 2. High Voltage Smart Savings Account Automation. The automatic savings feature is fantastic for building up an emergency fund without thinking about it, but the default settings can be too conservative. Navigate to the Smart Savings feature. The best setting: change the deposit frequency from the default weekly to bi-weekly or daily if you have a very stable income. More frequent, smaller transfers are less noticeable than one big transfer, which prevents you from feeling like you need to transfer the money back out. Set a clear goal. Instead of just saving generally, set a high-priority goal, e.g., $1,000 emergency fund. Rocket Money will intelligently find small amounts, often $5 to $50, to move when your bank account balance looks healthy. I recommend setting the safety margin, the minimum amount to keep in your checking account, about $100 lower than you are comfortable with. This lets the algorithm be a little more aggressive with finding money to save. 3. Police Car Light Financial Snapshot and Fee Alerts. The net worth and bill negotiation features are where the long-term money-saving magic happens. Ensure all accounts are linked. This is crucial. Link checking, savings, and credit cards. Rocket Money can only monitor what it can see. Focus on the net worth graph. This visual representation is a powerful motivator. Keep an eye on the debt section. The best setting: turn on overdraft alerts and fee alerts for all linked bank accounts. This proactive measure immediately flags when your balance is low or if you've been charged a late/overdraft fee. This lets you dispute the fee immediately or take action before a fee is incurred. I've used the fee alert to successfully call my bank and get a late fee waived because I was notified within minutes of it posting. These 3 steps: aggressive subscription hunting, setting an aggressive but safe automated savings plan, and leveraging real-time fee alerts, are how I've optimized Rocket Money to do the heavy lifting and put more money back in my pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.